In this session, we'll be creating a Black Friday sale for Elite. So we'll start off with a single table, the high-low manual flexion table. And what we'll do is we'll create a sale that has $200 off a headrest upgrade and provides a free base coat upgrade as well. Let's go ahead and show you how we use Gravity Cloud to create the sale, how to deploy it, and then how to undo it with a single click. Let's navigate to the high-low manual flexion table. This will be the first table we'll be doing to set up the sale. Let's open up the product order header template. So in here you can see I've got just an HTML block in this header. And what we're going to do is we're going to put an image at the very end. It's the Black Friday image. So I'm just going to add a line. I'll paste in the code, but basically I have a Black Friday JPEG, and then we'll save that. So that's the first update. We can go ahead and close that. Next, we're going to open up the headrest component. For the headrest, we want to notify the user that we have a sale on a headpiece upgrade, $200 off. So what I'm going to do is select that component, and I'm going to add a $200 sale notice here. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the options, and we're going to put in the sale here. So you can see the first one is $600, $870, and $980. So I'm going to take $200 off of each. So that's 4, that's 6, 7. And I'm also going to put in red text, a notification that basically the item is on sale. Just paste that in here. So just to show you that it's just a little bit of HTML code. There's a break and then a span with red text, save 200. So I'll paste that across the rest of them. You can see it over here reflected. Now we've got our sale there. Hit save. We can go ahead and close that. The final item is table color. So in here, we're going to be putting on another sale for this option as well. Again, we're going to take the main section, we're going to click it and put a notice on that we have a free powder coat upgrade. Then we're going to select the powder coat and edit options. And we're going to basically make these all 135 off, so they're all 0. So I'll just make these all 0 very quickly. And then as we did in the other one, I'm going to put a little red HTML element that shows the sale. So I'll just paste that piece of code beside each one of these. Okay, now we'll save that. And at this point now, we're ready to test. So I can close that. What we're going to do is verify. We're going to deploy from our components from the prod site to the staging site. So we're going to take the high-low manual flexion table and we'll do a deploy. Now that it's been deployed, we're going to go back here. We're going to check the high-low manual flexion table, order online. And you can see here, we've got a banner saying we've got a Black Friday sale, save on headpiece and powder coat. Beside the headpiece, you can see it says save 200 on an upgrade, and same with the free upgrade to the base powder coat. Let's open up the headpiece, and here the user can see that you're saving $200 for the upgrades. Let's go to the colors, and the same thing here. You can see these are now all $0 because it's discounted $135. So we effectively have our sale set up. So let's close this. And now let's do a full deploy to staging. So up at the top, deploy all products. With the deploy completed, we can now check to verify that the sale exists on the other tables. Black Friday sale, headpiece savings, free powder coat. Let's check another table. Verified it's there. Let's do one more check. All right. So we have all the tables on the staging site set up with the sale. Let's move over to pre-prod. And you can see there's no sale in pre-prod. So let's go ahead and deploy the sale now to pre-prod. Simply click the bullseye to say we're going to be sending our deploys to pre-prod. Click the deploy button. Click deploy. Now let's go back to the pre-prod server. Check that our sale is out there. Black Friday sale. Let's check another table. And you can see our Black Friday sale is up and running. This is great. Now, if we were to deploy that to production, we would simply click the bullseye beside production, and then we would deploy it to production. However, we're not going to deploy that to production because this is a simulation. Next, we'll demonstrate how quickly you can undo the sale on both staging and production with the click of a button. So first off, when you're undoing, always take a look at the target that you'll be undoing. So right now we have staging set. So all the undos will be applied to staging. So let's go to history. And now I'm going to select the deploy that I want to restore to. So we can see our Black Friday sale is up here. I'm going to restore staging to this new 360-degree headpiece. Hit the restore button here. Okay. Now I'm going to set the target to pre-prod. Go back to history. Now again, I'm going to take this same deploy that we did, and I'm going to restore pre-prod. Excellent. So now we've got all the restores done. Let's review the staging site and the pre-prod site. Go to staging. Let's go to the high-low manual flexion table, order online, and you can see the sale is gone, and the headpiece still has all our new options, but the sale is gone. Let's go over to pre-prod, go back to the home page, select our table, order online, and you can see we're back to normal. Now, what if we wanted to undo all the work we've done in the sessions so far? So in other words, I don't want this 360-degree headpiece. I want to go back to the state we were before we started all these tutorials. Again, it's quite straightforward. Go back to Gravity Cloud. I'm going to first restore pre-prod, go to history, and I'm going to select this, the before state. You can see I'm going to restore to pre-prod, click restore. Great. Go back to staging, go to history, the before state, this time we're restoring to staging, click restore. Okay. So with the click of two buttons, we've now undone all the work we've done. And same token, if we wanted to time travel forward, we could simply go back to the Black Friday sale and start restoring it. So you can go backwards and forwards in your store. Just to verify that everything is undone, let's go back to the staging site. We'll pick the high-low manual flexion table, order online, headpiece, and we're back to our original state. If we do the same with pre-prod, order online, headpiece, all back to the original state. So in this demo, we've put on a Black Friday sale on top of our 360-degree headpiece. We deployed it to staging and pre-prod. Then we undid both, and then we undid also the 360-degree headpiece, and we're right back to where we started with minimal effort.